Hi and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix translucent TB not working on Windows 11. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to try and simply reboot your PCs. And to do that, just open the start menu just like right here and click on to the power and select restart. So this is the first thing that you should do if you encounter or if you come across any system malfunction. So it is to simply reset your PC. So restarting your PC gives the system a clean slate to work upon, and it loads all the important system files that might have missed during the previous session. So thus triggering the Windows 11 taskbar not transparent issue. And then next, what you can do is to disable battery saver. So to do that, just simply press the Windows plus I buttons to open your settings and click on to the power and battery and expand the battery saver action and hit the turn on now button next to the battery saver option. So once you have disabled the battery saver option under the power and battery settings, just head over to personalization and toggle on the transparency effect and see if this fixes the Windows 11 taskbar not transparent issue. And the next, what you can do is to enable high performance mode. So to do this, just simply press the Windows plus key or plus R key on your keyboard to open the run dialog and type this below command right here, which is the power cfg.cpl. And after that, just simply press enter and click onto the circle next to the high performance power profile and just exit the Windows page. So the steps will enable high performance mode on your PC, and do note that although everything will work top notch, the battery of your laptop or yes, your laptop will drain faster. So after enabling the high performance mode, you need to enable the transparency effect again and check if this fixes the issue or not. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.